The recession is coming. Now is the perfect time to add new skills to your toolbox. In this video, I'll show you how to do just that for free. Roll that intro. The second way a designer can survive in a recession is to add new free skills to your toolbox. When you add a new skill to your toolbox, you are opening doors to new opportunities. So why not learn them for free? If you search the internet, you can find many websites, such as tv.adobe.com, where you can actually stream video and learn techniques directly from the experts. Another thing you can do is subscribe to podcasts like It's So Perfect, the podcast hosted by digital artist Bert Monroy, offers 15 minutes of professional and detailed advice on Photoshop and Illustrator tools. And the best part, it's free. You should also take advantage of free talks offered from design organizations like the American Institute of Graphic Art or TED, and tap into your local library to see what classes they offer. They may not offer a class on InDesign, but they may offer classes in Excel or Word. And if you're not familiar with these programs, this is a wonderful opportunity to learn new techniques. Another way is to get a part-time job working for a printer, photographer, or another designer whose strength or focus is different than yours. The great thing about going this route is you are learning directly from a professional and getting paid. And that was part 2 of the 5-part series on the designer's guide on how to survive in a recession. If you want to see part 3, then tap the screen right there. If you want to see another one of BDesign's videos, then tap the screen right there. See you next week. Bye.